there, it's AJ Camera Bunny, and I welcome you to my Doctor Who TARDIS Den tutorial. Let's get started with what you'll need. First off is the music. I recommend the Battle of the Beacon music, but I'm not sure if they're going to ever come out with that in the Diamond Shop. So what I recommend using if they don't have it is the Base Camp music. Now you're going to need a lot of gems because we get a lot of den items during this. So I recommend saving before you buy any of this. I'm just showing what you'll need and what color you need it in. You also buy a lot of stuff from the Summer Carnival. So if it's summer right now for you while you're watching this, I recommend buying these items really quickly. And also a lot of these space items and these kind of technology things are going out of stores soon. So I recommend buying those as quickly as you can, if they're still there. You're also going to need 3 blue barrels from the horse party, so you also have to wait till one of those comes around. This is optional, but I do recommend finding some blue sectional sofas in, both ways, but you don't need to. Okay, so first off, you're going to want 1 blue starry lamp, 3 of the barrels, 1 of the silver ingots, and then 3 of the sectional sofas, but the sectional sofas are optional. And here's what it looks like without the sectional sofas if you're... Okay, so moving on to the rest of the den, you're going to want 2 airspace locks, 8 carnival lights, 10 mechanical wall lights, 2 epic space windows, and 1 space locker. Okay, so continuing on, you will need 1 space satellite, 2 spaceship controllers, 1 mechanical couch, 2 mechanical tables, and 4 seats of your choice. It doesn't really matter, just what your preference is totally fine. Also, the couch looks better extended. I really hope you guys had a fun time watching the tutorial, and I really hope you guys try this out. It was really fun for me to make, and really fun for me to show you guys too. I'll see you next time. Bye!